What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't posted in a while due to the car being down. I was leaving work one day and just happened to look in the back of my mirror and the car was just smoking like crazy. So I happened to do the little diagnostic and pull out the air filter and notice that there's oil coming off the turbo. Luckily it wasn't my engine, it was just the turbo oil leaking. So let's pull this thing off and see what's going on with it. So here's my turbo. Let's get this thing off and see what's going on with it. So I got the wastegate out, the downpipe. Now I gotta take off the oil drain and then the turbo. That seems to be fine, nothing coming from there. Got oil in there. So yeah, seems like the turbo is leaking. Let's check out what's going on inside the turbo. There's my wastegate. Took the turbo housing off. Don't look like it's really in any bad condition. So here's the problem. Looks like I have a bad oil seal, some kind of seal going on. So I'm gonna try to rip it apart and see what's going on inside. All caked in oil. journal bearing, and further down there's another C-clamp with another journal bearing. Got turbo all taken apart. The intake housing wasn't leaking too bad, just a little bit of oil, not much. Now the exhaust turbine had some gunk on it. That piston ring might be bad. There's one of the O-rings that got destroyed. For the exhaust housing, it's covered in oil. Just sleeping out. That's why my car was smoking. Yeah. Alright, so I got it all assembled. The markings lined up. I just gotta put the housings on. So I finally got the turbo rebuilt, and it seems to be driving fine, no leaking oil or nothing, no smoking. So for eBay turbo, it's pretty good, I guess, for having it for 5 years and driving it like crazy. But thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.